I think you know what time it is. It's time for the elimination. That's right, Rocky. Actually, you mean the sponge guy. Anyways, we only had a one vote, and Coiny, you're fucking out. What the fuck? I lost my rock! Womp to the womp womp. Anyways, final three, yay! Anyways, your challenge is to fit in the refrigerator. Go. X and Sponge Guy, you're up for elimination. Oh great, I'm up for elimination and lost my rock. Well, there is one thing I have to say to you, Sponge Guy. What? Womp to the fucking womp. You son of a bitch.